In this video, I'll show you how to add email in Facebook account. If you are wanting to learn how you can add your email in your Facebook account, ensure you watch this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, at first, you need to be logged into your Facebook account, right? So this is our Facebook account. So what I need to do, this is my account currently. This is my account. So what I need to do, I need to click on this icon, right? Click on this icon. This is account. Click on the settings and privacy. Click on the settings. Yeah, then it will be displayed with these options. What you need to do, click on this personal details. Once I've clicked on this personal details, click on this personal details here. Then you can add your Gmail account, you can add your email account in this contact info. So this is where you can add your email account. So this is our email account. I won't be removing this because I've already added this. So but you can still add a new contact here to this your Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.